Welcome back to another video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. MeiaSoQuick with the uploads. Intro's over. Subscribe before you go. Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing some customization on this hoodie. All right, so this is just a nice old, pink hoodie that we're throwing out, and I want to go ahead and do a bunch of cartoon characters because I'm a big kid at heart. So stay tuned, watch the video, and see what I turn this into. All right, so I decided to go with an Adventure Time theme because I'm such a cartoon head and I love Adventure Time. So my nephew is uber talented, so I got him to draw these characters because you can do this on like computer and print them out, but who has ink in these times? All right, so I'm gonna zoom in. You see I got Jake, I got Princess Bubblegum, I got Finn, and I also got my favorite character, LSP, Lumpy Space Princess, and we even have the Ice King. So my next step is going to be to get all these characters on this hoodie. So our first step to get these pictures transferred onto the hoodie is going to be to cut out all of these pictures. Once all the characters are cut out, I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out where I want them all placed at on this hoodie. I kind of went back and forth with this several times before I found something that I liked. But once I got a placement that I like, I'm gonna go ahead and start tracing. I'm just using a regular ballpoint pen to do this. Once all the tracings happen, I'm ready to go in with my first coat of white paint. I use the white as kind of like a primer layer so all the other colors are gonna pop. And you gotta be sure you really make it even so none of this is like sticking out, because this is really kind of a 3D fabric, so it can be raised on top of the surface. Okay, so now that all of my characters are done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to start to draw in the details for all of these characters. And once that's done, I am ready to start filling in with the actual colors. So as I said before, I'm using a bunch of different fabric paints. This is from Tulip, and they're really easy, especially when I'm doing this kind of detail stuff, just to squirt it out of the squirting bottle and then do touch-ups and everything else with some detail brush. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch me work. Right now it's pretty self-explanatory. Choose some colors, squirt the paint out, blend it in with the brush. So for Jake, I actually had to mix up some colors. I achieved the color working with orange, yellow, and a bit of brown. So I just mixed that up on this little tin shoebox lid, I guess, and I applied that directly onto Jake. Here I am going in with my final details, and let's go ahead and reveal what this final hoodie looks like. Alright, so I finished the hoodie and I think it came out really cute. So there you guys can go. You can see all the characters there. Alright, and that's pretty much going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe for more of my content. And if you like the video, by all means, click that thumbs up, like the video, share it with other people that you think would be interested in this type of video. And by all means, leave me a comment with some ideas of what I should attempt next. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.